ಆರ್ಆರ್ಗೆ ಭರ್ಜರಿ ಜಯ, ಕೆಕೆಆರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋಲು. ಸಂಜು ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸನ್ ನಾಯಕನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತ ಆಟ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ ಜ್ವರ ಜ್ವರ. ಇಂಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟೇಟರ್ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಚು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್, ಸದರ್ನ್ ಡರ್ಬಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. RCB ಮತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮೀ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರು ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಸರ್
ಹಾಯ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸುದರ್ಶನ್,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So we talk about yesterday's match in brief, and we talk about today's match also, very important match. So on paper yesterday what we discussed, KKR was strong, but the result shows the otherwise. So what might be the reason?
Yeah, in fact, it was a surprise result. So I anticipated KKR to win. Looking at their team composition and the confidence level what they were carrying, but well, I think as you predicted, RR has won it, and they held the nerves, and they were able to succeed in the first match. So I am happy personally, so because there should be some competition. So it's not always the bigger team, the strong team has to win, and it's good. The RR is also giving a tough competition to others.
Correct. So what might be the reason, sir, as per your view?
I think the pitch played little slow, and that might be one of the reasons. So they were not able to connect properly. So that is the reason they.
Bombay, right?
Yes,
Bombay.
Mumbai, yeah.
Yeah, Mumbai is
So,
normally.
Yeah, it was a batting pitch, but yesterday you could see, like, the ball was like coming on. It was not coming on the bat that nicely, which you always see. So it was stopping and coming, and the players were the batsmen were finding some problems in swinging the bat and getting the bat towards. They were not connecting the ball properly. So yeah, pitch might play one of the reasons. Yes.
But you should also give a credit to the bowlers like Chris Morris.
Yes, absolutely.
Chris Morris took 4 wickets.
Nothing to take away from them. They bowled really beautifully in that pitch. So they bowled good slow balls and everything. So really nice bowling yesterday by the Rajasthan Royal bowlers. So
overall, do you tell that it is a batsman's failure or the RR bowlers bowled well?
I think RR bowlers bowled well. They bowled according to the condition of the wicket, which helped them to take wickets, and thus led to the KKR downfall.
Sudarshan, Chris Morris again proved he is all time since the beginning of IPL. He paid the maximum amount this time. It is 15 crore something odd, the highest any player has got, Chris Morris. So again he proved that he is worth of it.
Yes.
Like I said in the halftime interview, he struck it so hard in the last game. So we do a lot of analysing. I think a lot of experience playing against him over the years.
Of course, he is justifying whatever is being paid to him. And these are some bowlers, so anytime they will come back to form, that opposite team has to be watchful. Which such bowlers, they have class. In fact, so they will quickly adjust to any environment or any kind of pitches. So that's a beauty. That's how they are paid very heavily. And yes, you're right. I think so he's justifying what has been paid to him.
He proved the worthless.
Yeah, yes.
So last time also he played one very very good innings with the bat. Yeah. So yesterday he proved with the ball.
Yes.
So he's a good all-rounder overall. And again, KKR has to rethink, rework on their, there is some like, I have one strong doubt about Sunil Narayan. Sunil Narayan sent at number 3. Okay, normally he would open the innings to make the run rate very fast in the first 6 overs.
Yes.
Okay, that power play. But I don't know what was the reason behind him to send him around 10th over or 11th over, and that to number 3 when the ball was not coming nicely to bat. Instead of Russell would have come earlier. Russell came at number at 18th over, 17th or 18th over.
Okay.
He could have done nothing at that time. The overs.
They maybe at the hindsight they should have sent Russell a little early, but then I don't know what was the team plan was. So in the openers, Shubman Gill and Nitish Rana, they usually bat the open. Shubman Gill has not been lately at
Not
form
in good
now.
form.
So I think
Yesterday, in fact, unfortunately ran out, so that is something. And
Yeah.
as per me, if I say the middle order, so specifically the big names like Morgan and all that, they're not
Dinesh
fine.
Karthik.
I think they could have. They should have experimented with Narayan at the opening. And
They could have, yes, they could
They could
have.
have done that, yes.
But towards the RR innings, Samson played a captaincy role.
Yes.
He slowly, seeing that nothing got hurt,
Yeah.
and he single-handedly taken to the victory.
That's
Sanjay
right.
Samson.
I don't know, I think it's a consecutive second match, is low scoring match.
Yeah.
And the chasing team has won, and the chasing team always split sensibly. They're not
low
often-
scoring.
Yeah, because when they know the target, so they will play according to.
But
the
in most of
situation.
the times, it always observed whenever there is a low scoring, the
Yeah.
pressure is on the other side.
Other side.
But the people have over the period, I think they have learned
Learned,
how
yeah.
to deal with these low scoring matches, not to take the big risk,
Yes,
so not to
correct.
get complacent.
That's
That's
right.
one progress I could see in
That's
most of the
right,
team.
yeah.
Sanju Samson normally, got out with a bad shot or something, but yesterday his match was completely the overall.
Yeah, he played sensibly. He played captain's innings, so he saw the team through, and he didn't waste his wicket or throw his wicket.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we come to today's match. My God, today's match is most awaited match in the IPL, RCB and CSK. It is called as a Southern Derby.
Yes.
And it is like some trawlers tend to troll that it is a match between India and Pakistan. I don't go by all that since Virat Kohli and Dhoni have a very good friendship. And Dhoni has the highest run record against RCB.
That's right.
Vice versa, even Virat Kohli has the highest run rate against CSK. And it is a part because they tend to favorite their teams and all. You are wearing a yellow jersey.
Yeah.
Don't tell that today CSK will win.
Well, I'm going for CSK today.
Oh my God. Okay.
I
Sudarshan,
don't know.
you.
Yeah, so don't buy that tendency is a match between India and Pakistan. Yes, there will be, so the intensity will be same as
Yes,
India Pakistan. I am also excited to watch this match. There is a lot of ups and downs you can see in today's match. But of course, so whatever it is there, I go with RCB, and so I am a big fan of RCB. So we always say, "Isa Cup Namde," so we stick to that. Whether they win or not, but so that is always there.
Yeah.
But the kind of form what RCB the confidence what they gain, and I personally feel they have fixed all the departments, whether it is
Middle order.
bowling or the batsman. If they're not the way they used to depend on the top order, so in previous years, so they used to depend on Gale, AB de Villiers, that is not now.
Yeah.
I don't see, at least in this season. I don't know. So down the line, it is how it progresses, but.
They fix lot of.
Those things, so there is an X factor with Maxwell who is in good form.
Correct.
So probably these are some things,
Harshal Patel
as a bowler, and so these are some things favoring RCB. even though
So
the
far.
top orders, the fails, I think there's a middle
Yeah.
order who will come and rescue the
The
team
team, yeah.
and take it forward. I think so. That's one good thing
That's right.
happening with RCB. But at the same time, Chennai still to figure out the right combination. According to me, though they have couple of matches they have won, but the right combination they're yet to figure out. According to me, so probably I may be wrong. You're the big supporter of CSK. I think we can comment it better.
Well, actually, after seeing the last match between the way Duplessis and Gaikwad played, their confidence should be on a higher side. So they will go playing the same way what
Deepak Chara.
And Deepak Char is a good swing bowler. So he's got around nice 8-9 wickets in his bag now from last 2-3 matches. So yeah, batting looks.
Of course, one thing is there.
Yeah.
CSK, the barring the players performing, the best part is the captaincy.
Yeah.
So very thinking captaincy.
Correct.
And in fact, if somebody is not performing, he knows,
Yes.
so what to take the decision during that time.
Mm.
So, but it always, sometimes, most of the times it helped.
Yeah.
But this time, I don't think with RCB it will work.
Yeah, let's see how Captain Cool plays.
So, so one final question before we close our topic. RCB, as Sudarshan is favoring RCB team. So, who are the main two players which you bet on?
And I definitely bet on ABD Villiers, who is my all-time favorite. Secondly, this match, my sixth sense says, so Kohli will also fire in this match because it's a high voltage match. Probably such matches, so
Normally.
he's his N2 or his the extra talent, it comes out. So I'm betting on these two players a lot.
So, for Chennai?
Well, Chennai, this is a team. Chennai is a team, so everyone
if you
chips
take
in.
two players.
But yeah, if you ask me to name two players, I would say Suresh Raina
Yeah.
and maybe Ravindra Jadeja. So he has a good record against RCB, so I'll just name this two.
Okay. So we'll talk about one last topic of later half of the match. We have one more match coming up at 7:30 between Delhi and SRH.
Yes.
Okay. So whom do you think that Delhi and SRH who will have an upper hand?
No, I bet on Delhi
Delhi.
because there are some good players in Delhi.
They have proved well also.
Even SRH
So
also
far.
they are good players, but they are yet to strike back. So in this season, what I would say,
Delhi
going
is-
by the this season's record, I will go with Delhi.
So Delhi is always been strong.
Yeah.
We are also topping the table now.
Yeah.
So you sir,
I
SRH?
do, go with Delhi because
Go with Delhi.
Delhi is a better team, looks stronger team than
SRH also comes to the party.
Yeah,
Last
that's
night they
right.
have won with a huge margin. And
Yes,
they also seems to be
Correct.
back on track.
So on their day they can defeat any team. So yeah, we have to wait and see.
Okay, good. So nice talking to you both.
Yeah, thanks a lot. All the best for RCB.
Yeah, I think I'm also very excited.
Yeah.
So I also go for us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, please.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yes, my both friends have a different version. One says Chennai and another says RCB. I also say RCB. No Dona, just 1 hour to go for a match. So ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ.